In this video, I'll guide you through how to FTP your website using Bluehost step by step so you can easily access your site files from an FTP client. First, make sure you're signed into your Bluehost portal in your web browser. This is your main control panel where you manage everything related to your hosting and websites. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, especially the menu on the left side of the screen. That's where we'll start. On the left-hand menu, look for the option labeled Websites. Go ahead and click on that. This section lists all the websites associated with your Bluehost account. If you manage multiple sites, you'll see them all here. If you only have one, you'll just see that single site listed. Next, find the website you want to connect to via FTP. To the right of that site, you'll see a button labeled Manage. Click the Manage button for the site you're working on. This opens up more detailed settings and controls specifically for that website, so you can configure things like performance, security, and in this case, file access. At the top of this page, you'll notice a horizontal menu with different tabs. Look for the tab called Files and Access. This is where Bluehost keeps all the tools related to file management and connection details. Click on Files and Access to open it. Give it a second to load if needed. Once you're on the Files and Access tab, scroll down until you see the section labeled FTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol, and it's what allows you to upload, download, and manage your website files using an FTP client like FileZilla or another similar tool. This section is where Bluehost shows you existing FTP accounts and allows you to manage them. Inside the FTP section, click the button that says Manage. This takes you to the area where your FTP accounts are listed. Here you'll see the usernames and other details for any FTP accounts already set up for your hosting. If you're using a main account created by Bluehost, it should appear here. To see the current details of a specific FTP account, look to the right of that account entry. You'll notice a vertical ellipsis icon, which looks like 3 dots stacked on top of each other. Click that vertical ellipsis to open a small menu. From that menu, select View. This will show you the details for that FTP account, such as the username, server, or host name, and sometimes the directory it has access to. These are the pieces of information you'll typically need to plug into your FTP client, the FTP server or host, the FTP username, and the password you created for that account. Keep these details handy but secure, and avoid sharing them publicly. Once you've viewed and noted your FTP details, you're ready to use them in your FTP software to connect to your Bluehost hosted website. From there, you can start managing your files directly. That's all you need to do inside Bluehost to access your FTP account details and get ready to connect.